Electric bikes are rapidly transforming the way we move, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional transportation. Whether you're looking to save on gas, tackle your daily commute with ease, or explore the great outdoors, an affordable electric bike could be your perfect solution. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 most affordable electric bikes you can buy in 2025, each packed with features that deliver exceptional value for your money. Make sure to stick around until the end to learn about an incredible feature on our top pick. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for the latest pricing and best deals. Let's get started. Number 10. Fukar Libra. 1200 watt. The Fukar Libra 1200 watt is a powerful and reliable option for those looking to invest in an affordable yet high-performance electric bike. At its core is a robust 750 watt rear hub motor that delivers an impressive 80 Newton meters of torque, making it capable of tackling steep inclines and challenging terrains with ease. With a top speed of 32 miles per hour, this bike ensures a swift and smooth commute, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. The 48-volt, 20-amp-hour lithium-ion battery supports a range of 30 to 60 miles, depending on your chosen level of pedal assist, making it ideal for both short and long rides. The Fukar Libra is built to handle diverse conditions with its 20x4-inch fat tires, which provide excellent grip and stability on surfaces like sand, gravel, and snow. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of hydraulic disc brakes, offering precise and reliable stopping power, even in wet conditions. One of its standout features is its impressive 400-pound weight capacity, accommodating a wide range of riders and loads. These features, combined with its durable construction and full suspension design, make the Fukar Libra a versatile choice for commuting, recreation, or even light cargo transport, all at an accessible price point. Number 9. Jasion X-Hunter. The Jasion X-Hunter stands out as a versatile and portable electric bike designed for convenience and performance. Powered by a 750-watt motor that peaks at 1200 watts, this bike can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for quick commutes or outdoor adventures. Its 48-volt, 13-amp-hour removable battery offers an impressive range of up to 70 miles on pedal assist mode, ensuring you can tackle long rides without worrying about running out of power. The folding design adds a significant layer of practicality, allowing the bike to collapse into a compact size of 29.5 by 33.5 by 15 7/10 inches, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in the trunk of a car. Riders will appreciate the full suspension system, which smooths out bumps on rough terrain, and the 20x4-inch fat tires, which provide excellent traction on a variety of surfaces. For added safety, the Jasion X-Hunter is equipped with integrated front and rear lights, which automatically activate during braking to increase visibility in low-light conditions. The Shimano 7-speed transmission ensures smooth gear changes, enhancing performance on both flat roads and hilly trails. Combining portability, power, and safety, the Jasion X-Hunter offers a well-rounded package for riders seeking a high-value e-bike. Number 8. DEEPOWER DP G20 Pro. The DEEPOWER DP G20 Pro is a rugged electric bike built for riders who demand durability and performance on challenging terrains. Featuring a powerful 1,000-watt motor with a peak output of 2,000 watts, this bike delivers exceptional power, making it suitable for tackling steep inclines, rocky trails, and even snow-covered paths. Riders can choose between two battery configurations, a standard 48-volt, 12 8/10 amp-hour battery, or an upgraded 25 amp-hour option, both designed to offer extended range and adaptability for long-distance journeys. With the extended battery, the bike provides unparalleled range for off-road adventures or daily commutes. Designed for comfort and control, the DEEPOWER DP G20 Pro features a lockable front fork suspension, which absorbs shocks and ensures a smoother ride over uneven surfaces. Its 20x4-inch fat tires enhance stability and grip, allowing riders to navigate loose or slippery terrain confidently. The bike's ergonomic design includes a well-padded seat and an adjustable handlebar to ensure comfort over long rides. For added convenience, the frame is foldable, making storage and transport hassle-free despite its rugged build. With its combination of high-performance features and rider-focused design, The DEEPOWER DP G20 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking to conquer tough terrain without sacrificing comfort or practicality. Number 7. OKAI Stride. The OKAI Stride is an electric bike meticulously designed for urban commuters seeking efficiency and convenience. Powered by a 750-watt motor, the Stride delivers reliable performance, offering ample power to handle city streets and moderate inclines with ease. Its lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, making it simple to weave through crowded streets or park in tight spaces. The sleek design not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures practicality for daily use. Commuter-friendly features are at the heart of the OKAI Stride. The bike comes equipped with an ergonomic saddle that provides maximum comfort during long rides, while the integrated LCD display offers real-time information about speed, battery life, and ride mode, keeping you in control. Bright LED front and rear lights enhance visibility, ensuring safety during early morning or late-night commutes. With its blend of power, portability, and urban-oriented features, the OKAI Stride is an excellent choice for riders looking to simplify their daily travels in style and comfort. Number 6. Rattan LM750. The Rattan LM750 is a highly versatile electric bike that seamlessly transitions between urban commutes and off-road adventures. At its core is a powerful 750-watt motor, delivering reliable performance to conquer steep inclines, navigate rough trails, or cruise effortlessly through city streets. With a 48-volt battery, the bike offers a range of up to 50 miles, making it suitable for medium to long-distance rides. Whether you're navigating the hustle and bustle of urban traffic or exploring rugged backroads, the LM750 is built to perform. One of its standout features is its ergonomic design, prioritizing rider comfort and ease of use. The bike is equipped with a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks on uneven terrain, ensuring a smooth ride. Its sturdy frame and Shimano 7-speed gear system allow for precision and adaptability, whether you're speeding on a flat surface or climbing hills. Durable all-terrain tires provide excellent grip and stability, making it a reliable companion for various conditions. With its combination of power, comfort, and adaptability, the Rattan LM750 is the perfect choice for riders seeking a dependable e-bike for diverse riding environments. Number 5. Schwinn Coston Hybrid. The Schwinn Coston Hybrid is a versatile electric bike designed to cater to both urban commuters and recreational riders. Its hybrid capabilities make it equally adept at handling city streets and light trails, offering flexibility for various riding scenarios. The 250-watt motor provides smooth and steady performance, paired with a 36-volt battery that delivers a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, it strikes the perfect balance between power and control, making it an excellent choice for daily use. The bike features a step-through frame, which ensures easy mounting and dismounting, particularly beneficial for riders of all ages and mobility levels. Comfort is prioritized with an ergonomic saddle and upright handlebars, promoting a relaxed riding position that reduces strain on the back and shoulders. Adding to its practicality is the integrated rear rack, perfect for carrying groceries, backpacks, or other essentials. The Schwinn Coston Hybrid also includes built-in lights for improved visibility and safety, making it a reliable and user-friendly option for those looking for a comfortable and versatile e-bike at an affordable price. Number 4. ACTBEST Night. The ACTBEST Night is an electric bike built for riders seeking both power and adaptability. Equipped with a 750-watt motor, this bike delivers the performance needed to handle steep inclines, rugged trails, and city streets with equal ease. Its 48-volt battery ensures a commendable range, making it suitable for both long-distance rides and daily commutes. The motor and battery combination provide the reliability and endurance needed for diverse riding conditions. One of the defining features of the ACTBEST Night is its 20x4-inch fat tires, designed to provide exceptional traction and stability on various surfaces, including sand, snow, mud, and gravel. Coupled with a full suspension system, these tires make for an incredibly smooth and comfortable ride, even on uneven or challenging terrains. The bike's robust frame and versatile design make it an excellent choice for adventurers and commuters alike. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or exploring the outdoors, the ACTBEST Night offers the power, comfort, and durability needed to excel in any setting. Number 3. Gotrax F5. The Gotrax F5 is an ideal choice for city riders who value affordability and convenience without sacrificing quality. With a budget-friendly price tag, this e-bike offers exceptional value, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. Powered by a 500-watt motor and a 48-volt 13.6 amp-hour battery, the Gotrax F5 delivers a solid range of up to 70 miles on pedal assist mode, ensuring it can handle commutes, errands, and leisurely rides with ease. Its top speed of 20 miles per hour is well suited for urban environments, providing just the right amount of speed for efficient travel. The foldable design of the Gotrax F5 makes it perfect for apartment dwellers, office workers, or anyone with limited storage space. When folded, it becomes compact and easy to transport, fitting conveniently into car trunks or under desks. The inclusion of a 7-speed Shimano gear system enhances its versatility, allowing riders to easily adjust for flat roads, hills, or varying levels of effort. With its practical features and wallet-friendly pricing, the Gotrax F5 is a top contender for city commuters seeking a reliable and convenient electric bike. Number 2. ACTBEST Ranger. The ACTBEST Ranger is a versatile and powerful electric bike designed to meet the needs of riders who require both performance and convenience. At its core is a 750-watt motor, providing ample power for tackling steep hills and rough terrain while maintaining a smooth and controlled ride. Paired with a 48-volt battery, the Ranger offers an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for extended commutes, long recreational rides, or off-road adventures. Comfort and control are at the forefront of the ACTBEST Ranger's design. It features a full suspension system that absorbs shocks and ensures a smooth ride on bumpy or uneven terrain, enhancing rider comfort during long journeys. The bike's 20 by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability across various surfaces, whether it's paved roads, gravel paths, or sandy trails. Additionally, the Ranger's foldable frame adds a layer of convenience, making it easy to store in tight spaces or transport in a car trunk. With its combination of power, range, and practical design, the ACTBEST Ranger is an excellent choice for riders seeking a dependable and adaptable electric bike. Number 1. Qlife Cityone. The Qlife Cityone is a compact and affordable electric bike designed specifically for urban commuting. Its lightweight and foldable design make it incredibly convenient for city dwellers, allowing it to be stored in tight spaces such as apartments, offices, or car trunks. Despite its small size, the Cityone delivers reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for navigating busy streets or short to medium-length commutes. Equipped with a 250-watt motor and a 36-volt battery, the Qlife Cityone offers a top speed of 15 to 20 miles per hour, perfect for efficient travel in urban settings while ensuring safety and control. The bike's battery provides a range of 25 to 30 miles on a single charge, ideal for daily rides to work, errands, or casual outings. Its affordability makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, offering great value without compromising on essential features. With its simple controls, integrated lights, and comfortable design, the Qlife Cityone stands out as a practical and cost-effective solution for city living. These are the 10 most affordable electric bikes for 2025, each offering exceptional value and features tailored to different needs. From rugged off-road options to compact city commuters, there's a bike here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more top picks. Let us know in the comments which bike caught your eye or share your e-bike experiences. Thanks for watching and happy riding!